Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb on the third brake light on your Jeep Wrangler TJ. So let's go ahead and get started. Now for starters, you may want to know what's the importance of that, even though I think it's quite obvious. But basically, if you're driving around with this not working, you run the risk of either getting a ticket or getting a repair order from a police officer. Also, if you live in a state like I do where you have to get the reoccurring inspections, you're going to fail your inspection if that's not working. And then the third one, which is I think the most obvious, is it's there for safety reasons. So you don't want to be driving around with that not working. So it's always good to check that, make sure all your bulbs are in good shape. If not, then you'll need to replace it, which is what we're going to go into right now. What you have here is you have this lens piece here that's held on by two T20 Torx screws. So you're going to need the, right here, the T20 bit in order to be able to remove those security screws out of there, and then the bulb is right behind that. To complete this, there's just a couple items that you'll need. First of all, you'll obviously need your bulb. Now the replacement bulb for that third brake light on the Jeep Wrangler TJ is a 921 model. You can use the 922 as well. Sometimes the 921s are hard to get a hold of. The only difference is the 922 is just a little bit dimmer, but it will do the job. You will pass inspection, all that stuff, because it will illuminate that third brake light. Next, you're going to need the T20 bit right there to remove those Torx screws. And then also a flathead is not bad either, so you can sometimes may need to pry that cap off a little bit, and then a screwdriver handle where you can obviously load those bits in, or if you have a ratchet, that'll work as well. But that's pretty much it. I'm going to go hop in the vehicle, press the pedal, so you can see what I'm talking about with that being out. And you can see right there, you got the left and right ones are coming on, but the third one in the middle is clearly out. There it is again. Okay, we're going to go ahead and load the T20 in. There we go. Just unscrew it like you're removing a regular screw. They come out fairly easy, unless it's been a while since you've had these off, then it might take a little bit of work. There we go. Now this came out pretty smooth because I've done work on this before, but if not, you can use the flathead. You just slightly go in there and pull that out. But we can remove that there. There's our bulb there, so I'm going to go ahead and untwist that so we can pull it out and swap that out. So to remove it, you have the harness here. You're just going to go ahead and turn it to the side, and then it just slides right out of the grooves. Move this out of the way here. Here's our bulb. Pull the old one out there. There's the replacement one. Slides right inside there. You just want to be gentle. These bulbs can be a little delicate, but just, there you go, till it clicks in. Get that out of the way, and then we can put this right back inside here. And you can see there's a kind of like an X pattern, similar to what's here. So we're going to go ahead and feed that in till it goes in, and then turn it. It's locked in. We can put it back in place, screw it back in, and try it. And you don't want to over tighten these because you don't want to crack the lens. So just take your time. You want it in there snug enough. It does have a little bit of a rubber gasket around the lens to keep any moisture out. So you don't have to worry about that, but you do want to just kind of go until you get a little bit of resistance, and then you're pretty much good with that. Okay, let's go ahead and try it out, and that'll wrap us up. Okay, well that's pretty much it. Bulb is replaced, you're good to go. I hope this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out with any project you might be working on with your TJ. As always, I appreciate all the support and the feedback. Please send me any questions, comments. As always, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.